Okay, good afternoon. So today, we will be solving one of the problems in arithmetic sequence. So we have here a problem. One term of the arithmetic sequence is a sub 10, which is equal to 32. So yung 10th term natin is 32. So the common difference is 3. Find the first term, and that's the first requirement. Second, find the rule or equation for the nth term. Let's go back to the concept of the arithmetic sequence formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Now, in finding the first term, now we need to understand the certain needed given so that we can find the a sub 1 or the first term. So, based on the problem, meron tayong tinatawag na a sub 10, which is 32, at meron tayong common difference na 3. So, first requirement, kailangan natin si a sub 10, which is equal to 32. Kailangan natin si common difference, which is equal to 3. And let us apply the formula. A sub 10 is equal to 32, or let's use a sub 10 is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to common difference. A sub 10 is 32 is equal to a sub 1, yung hinahanap natin si a sub 1 plus n 10, yung n term 10th term minus 1 times the common difference. Ngayon, si 32 is equal to a sub 1 plus 3 times 10 is 30, then 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So 32 is equal to a sub 1 plus 30 minus 3 is 27. So, meron na tayong tinatawag na a sub 1. Ano ba ang a sub 1 natin? So 32, transfer natin si positive 27 magiging negative 27 is equal to a sub 1. Kung gumamit tayo ng addition property of equality. Pares lang yun. Then we have here 32 minus 27 is, the answer is 5. Because 32 minus 27 is 5. So, our a sub 1 is equal to 5. So that is how to find. So 27 plus 5 is 32. 32 minus 27 is 5. So meron tayong a sub 1. Na-meet na natin yung first requirement. Find the first term. And the first term is a sub 1. Yan. Find the rule or equations for the nth term. Ito naman, nahanapin natin, second question. Okay, letter A. Sa letter B naman, gamitin natin, meron na tayong given a sub 10, a sub 1 is equal to 5. So, common difference natin is 3. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So, a sub n is equal to a sub 1, 5 plus n minus 1, the common difference is 3. So, a sub n is equal to 5 plus 3 times n is 3n. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So, a sub n, arrange natin 5 minus 3 plus 3n. So, a sub n is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 3n. So, therefore, ito yung ating general rule. I mean, the rule or equation for the nth term. So, kung itra-try natin to solve si a sub 10 which is equal to 32, sa-substitute lang natin si 32 dito sa n. And then, si 10 dito sa n. 3 times 10 is 30 plus 2 is 32. Tama. A sub 10 is equal to 32. Si a sub 1 naman is 5. 3 times 1 is 3. Then, 3 plus 2 is 5. And that's the value of a sub 1. That's all. That's how to answer or to find the first term and to find the rule or equation for the nth term given number 3 example. Thank you and good afternoon.